welcome back to my channel. It's Jessica here, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own vision board. So first off, I head to my computer and log into Pinterest, and I start creating my own board called vision board, or you can label it whatever you want, just as long as it's a board that's private and you can start pinning all these different ideas that inspire you, that you want to just visualize. So any goals that you have, anything that you want to be like, ooh, I want my board to look like this or that, really just explore. Personally, I love traveling, so I put a lot of pictures of New York in there. And so what I end up doing is I save the photos or screenshot them and put them into a Pages document, so I can just get all the pins and pictures that I wanted to put on my dream board out and on a page so I can easily print it out. You can also type out some certain things that you want on your dream board as well, change the font, anything like that. Alright, once you have your pages set up with all the photos that you want to print out, you'll just go ahead and print out as many pages as you made. I ended up making 9 pages full of pictures, and to be honest, that seems like a lot because it is, but they go fast pretty quickly when you put it all together on your board. Woohoo! Now since you have all the pictures, you'll need a scissor, a Sharpie, and tape, and a board, of course. And here I just started cutting out all my photos. I even printed out some photos of my face and cut them out so I can paste them on to certain bodies and pictures that I wanted to. The most time-consuming part of this whole project would be arranging your photos to how you want them. I probably rearranged all the photos like 20 different times, just in different ways to see how I liked it. But here you can see me just putting the cutout pictures of myself onto the little heads in photos. It makes it even more personal. Alright, so here you can see I have kind of a layout that I wanted.
Rexy, what are you doing? Rexy! You're going to stay.
Alright, and I was now finished, and I put it on the wall in front of my workspace so I can always look at it and just be inspired. And here's the finished product, ladies and gentlemen.